Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Yinhai rectangular metal frame swimming pool. Are you ready to spend the summer with your family in the backyard? Our swimming pool is a good choice. This swimming pool is suitable for children and adults. It is ideal for relaxing in the summer sun. Our outdoor swimming pool is made of high-quality PVC, which is environmentally friendly and harmless. The pool kit includes one swimming pool, one swimming ring, one small yellow electric pump, ocean ball, one arm ring, one beach ball, one swimming goggles, 5 patch paper. You can enjoy the swimming pool on the flat ground in the backyard with your family. Product benefits. No tools are required for installation. The pool is connected with anti-rust electroplating pipes for extended use. Capacity 3 to 5 people. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.